For this assignment, we're going to be researching other planetary objects out in space, including Mars, Venus, Earth's moon, and Earth itself. Our learning target for this unit is to use reasoning and evidence from ancient Earth materials, meteorites, and other planetary surfaces to account for Earth's formation and age. Our guiding question is, how do other planets help us figure out how old Earth is? Your instructions, what you need to do. There are websites listed on Canvas, which I can show you. On your Canvas page, you have a table with each object, and then you have a list of different resources you can use. You do not have to use every single resource. There's just options for you. Some of them are readings and some of them are videos. You are also able to use your own resources. So if you want to do your own research and not use the sources I provided, as long as they are legit and not Wikipedia, you can use them. With that being said, you're going to again research each object. Each object has some statements and questions that you need to answer or learn about that object. You can put your findings in this area. And then I'd also like it if you put your source, so which website you use, so that I do know you are using legitimate websites and not just Wikipedia. Again, you'll do that for all 4 objects, and they're labeled. And then at the bottom, you've got 3 questions. I want you to compare the ages and talk about how they compare. I want you to talk about the type of material they're made of, so rock or gases, and how we'll use those to learn about Earth. And then the third question, I want you to talk about how the surface of these objects have or have not changed over time. Think about why and what information this gives us.